You don't need to run a single step to torch calories and sculpt your legs. This viral treadmill trick uses just 3 numbers: 12, 3, and 30. Step 1. Set your treadmill to a 12% incline and a speed of 3 miles per hour. That steep incline turns a simple walk into serious cardio without any joint-pounding impact. Step 2. Walk tall with your shoulders back and core braced. Let your arms swing naturally at your sides instead of gripping the handrails, since holding on cuts your calorie burn dramatically. Step 3. New to this? Start at a lower incline, like 6% for 15 minutes, then add a few minutes and a percent each session. Work your way up to the full 30 minutes at 12% over 2 to 3 weeks. Step 4. When the 30 minutes ends, lower the incline gradually over 2 minutes instead of stopping cold. Step off and stretch your calves and hip flexors to prevent tightness the next day. Pro tip: doing this 3 to 5 times a week beats one brutal session, since consistency is what builds the results. Comment below your best 12, 3, 30 time. Follow Sikho for more. Visit Sikho.ai.